Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This week's really exciting and special for me. Everything we did in South Africa was just crazy phenomenal, and it was all incredible and wonderful. But this week, or this episode, so to speak, is all about the Dulstroom Bird of Prey Rehabilitation Center. Of course, at the end, you get to see us travel out of Dulstroom and into Graskop, but yeah, most of the video is our time spent at the Bird of Prey Rehabilitation Center. I am including all their links below, so please don't hesitate to check them out. They are an incredible organization. The people were phenomenal. The birds were insane. And if you can see out the window here and there are snowflakes. It is snowing here today. It's the first snow that's stuck of the year. Not so much here in Muskegon, but at home it's sticking. Anyway, back to Dulstroom. So yeah, check out the Bird of Prey Rehabilitation Center. Go to their website. Check them out on Facebook. If it's something that you're so inclined to do, don't hesitate to support them. They are, they're just incredible. I can't say enough. Incredibly wonderful. The I word is big today. I can't say enough wonderful stuff about their center, what they do. Again, I tell you later on in the video that most of the birds at the rehabilitation center are being rehabilitated, so they are not brought out in the demonstrations. They're not in any way made to become more comfortable with people. The birds in the demonstration are birds that cannot, for one reason or another, be rehabilitated. But anyways, just wanted to let you know to check out down below for links to their information and their sites. And also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. That totally helps me out on the channel, and I would appreciate it as well. So enjoy the episode, enjoy the birds, and enjoy the drive over the mountains after we leave Dulstroom over into Graskop and Pilgrim's Rest. Thanks so much for following along, and enjoy.
Break was in such a way that it was on the joint, almost on the joint. So everyone, usually like that, I know the sun is, oh, sorry, no. So I can also, whoops, water. And then a phone shot.
The return of the bobblehead. Hi, everybody. I hope you're enjoying this as much. Well, I know you're not enjoying it as much as Tom and I did. The video is just not quite the same as being there. But incredible place. I can't say enough just absolutely wonderful things about the Dulstroom Bird of Prey Rehabilitation Center. Obviously, you're not seeing the majority of the birds there because their mission and their goal is to rehabilitate birds and release them into the wild. However, for a variety of reasons, due to possible injuries that prohibit them from being let back out in the wild, other things are birds that have been too imprinted on humans. In other words, owl, I think one of them was an owl that fell out of the nest and somebody took it home and tried raising it. By the time it got to Dulstroom Bird of Prey, it was too imprinted on humans. It just would not make it in the wild. It's gonna come back to humans. It thinks it's human. Even the fish eagle, that fish eagle is another one of the birds that is so imprinted on humans. And I think you can tell that from its interaction with the person that, I don't want to slaughter her name. I know I'd mispronounce it, but anyway, so I'm not going to say it. But you could tell by the interaction between them that bird is definitely imprinted. I think it even thinks that she's like its little girlfriend. So yeah, so obviously that fish eagle couldn't be released into the wild the way it is. So various things like that. So those are the types of birds that we get to see, those imprinted birds, or those birds that cannot be rehabilitated. But there are just tons of other birds there that are being rehabilitated, being released. You can even follow them on Facebook. They, when they release birds, they post it to Facebook and stuff like that. So anyway, I just wanted to take a break, let you know what a wonderful organization it is. I have no doubt whatsoever that they would absolutely love it if you wander over there and sponsor a bird or donate some money. And I have no hesitation in recommending that to you as well. If you ever want to donate money to an organization that's maybe not necessarily here. I do know also, though, that we definitely could use some support in our any of our rehabilitation organizations. I experienced it firsthand this summer when I found a great blue heron in serious distress. All of the local rehabilitation centers that had been near us, or volunteers that were near us, I could not get a hold of anyone. They've either gone out of the business of rehabilitation. One of the big ones, Braveheart, which is very local, they retired. So we need to support those organizations right here at home too, because we have these situations that arise. I didn't know what to do. I was willing to do it because one of the rehab centers said if I got it to them, they would take care of it. But can you imagine a great blue heron, those big strong beaks? I threw a bunch of blankets in my car because I knew I was going to have to cover it up. Our dog kennel, I was ready to transport it. But thankfully for me, somebody else was working on it as well, and they got it taken care of before I got back with my stuff. So yeah, and they transported it to Grand Rapids instead of me. So please, people, support our wildlife centers, our rehabilitation, Ducks Unlimited. There's so many organizations that are out there to help the wildlife and the, what's that big word I'm looking for? Even habitat. So even those organizations like our gem sites, the people that are taking care of those places, any of that, anything, anywhere that you can help, just take care of the wildlife that's out there, and help support any that get wounded or injured. I'm babbling again. I'm so good at that. Let me shut up and take you back to Dulstroom Bird of Prey, show you a few more birds, and then we're gonna head up over the mountains to, or head down the mountains because we're kind of up the mountains, but we go up and over a pass to get to Graskop via Pilgrim's Rest. So I'll just throw a few more birds in there just because I love sharing this experience. It was so crazy phenomenal. Hopefully you're not already sick of seeing all these beautiful birds. I know I would never get sick of it, but just a few more and then we'll take you over to Graskop and get checked in, and then I'm gonna start working on Kruger, our next stop. So enjoy the rest of this week, and I'll see you at the end to wrap this up. And yeah, while I'm here, as always, don't forget, like and subscribe. It really, really, really helps. All the likes, views, subscribes I get helps drive me closer to being able to do more things on the platform.
On my shoulder. Hi. There you go. That's it. Yeah, you know. Good go.
We're running in with the tide. We're alive.
Break wasn't such a
We're running in with the tide. With the We're running in with the tide. We're alive.
You can say hi from the Royal Hotel Bar.
Hello?
We're running in with the tide. We're alive.
Chalet.
We're running in with the tide.
Our wonderful little chalet even has a lovely seating area that we're going to take advantage of. We won't be using the bride, but lovely seating area. We'll have our tea. And let me take you into the room. There we are. We have an extra bed, so if Tom steals my covers, I can go over there. This is our room. Very cute. Very, very wonderful. Tom's already messing the place up, which is just fine because, yes, saw what it looked like. There I am, a little road weary. We've had a long morning, but it was a wonderful day. For some reason, my alarm didn't go off, so we almost missed our Bird of Prey Center visit. Luckily, we made it just in time. And here's our bathroom. Absolutely adorable. That nice little basin. Yeah. Shower and the toilet. So this is it. Wait till you see there's adorable bunnies all over the yard, just everywhere. So yeah, there's Tom with our bags. I better get out there and help him load up. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I got the wrong GoPro. I can't see what I'm filming. Hopefully you can see us. Beautiful sunset.
Yep.
Going on over the mountains. Tom and I are walking from our little place in Graskop to dinner. I guess she made reservations for us, so we'll see what that's all about. Hopefully it'll be yummy. I'm sure it will. It's a beautiful place. She's very nice. Bunnies running all over. And I already showed you what the room looked like, so yeah, just walking to dinner. Dig in for me.